How do you want to open this file? Windows 11 fixes. Hello everyone, and let's get started. When you try to open a certain application or file, it will show some of the default options that you can choose from. If you want to change it, here is a quick fix. So first of all, you have to click on the search bar and search for default applications or apps. Once you type that, it will open the settings and go to apps and then on default applications. You can see a list of applications as well as its default files. To change any of them, simply choose the application that you want to change the default application to. Once you have done so, it will give you different types of extensions of the file types. To change a certain type of file types, just choose on it. For instance, if you want to choose a certain file type for .ini, right now default app is Notepad. To change it, you can select from the list as Word and then click on Set Default. And this way, you have managed to open this file type by Word every time. The next option that you can opt to is go back to default applications. Once you do so, just scroll down on the bottom. On the related settings, you have choose default by file type, link type and reset. If you tap on the reset button, it will then change all the file type into its default mode. So these were the two solutions that you can opt for. That's all for today's video, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.